Hey everyone. Welcome to FL Studio, another tutorial. In this tutorial we are creating this. Open Nexus 2 VST plugin and follow my steps. I am using Dance SEQ preset from Pluck category. Turn off delay and reverb. I am using pre-made chords progression. You can download this chords from the description. Drag and drop this MIDI and follow my steps. Listen this progression. Sounds good for me. Let's adjust some EQ and reverb. Assign this into mixer channel. And add fruity parametric EQ too. I am using 40 Hz cut preset. Add reverb. The last step, I am adding delay. I am adding kick and loops and listen final result. I hope you like this video. See you in next tutorial.